Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing July's crochet favourites. So as usual, I'm going to go through what yarn I've been loving, what stitches, all that kind of thing. And also don't forget that every month in these videos I do a little bit of a giveaway by using a hashtag which is on Instagram. So stay tuned to the end to find out who the winner for that is. But I have a few things that I want to show you this month and a few exciting updates, so make sure you stay tuned. But before we get started, if you like my videos and you watch them but haven't subscribed already, I would love it if you subscribed. All you have to do is click that red button, and then when it turns grey you'll see a little bell appear. All you have to do is click that bell and you'll be notified of when all my new videos go live. And of course I can't talk about subscribers without talking about the fact that we have just hit 450,000 subscribers on this channel. That is so crazy. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed, who watches my videos, who gives me thumbs up and also gives me comments. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so let's get started with the yarns that I've been loving this month. So there has been a little bit of a theme over the last few months that I am loving sort of thicker and chunky in yarn at the moment, and a yarn that I have recently been using again, and I think I might have mentioned this before, but this is Stylecraft XL, or I think they call it super chunky. I think it's got a couple of names, but Stylecraft Special XL. This is just so nice. It comes in some lovely colours, and I have used it for a project not so long ago, which I'm just going to get now for you. So I used it for this project, which I'm kind of calling the moss blanket for now, but I think I'm going to maybe ask you guys what you think I should call it. I have said so many times that I'm going to write this pattern up, and I have actually started writing the pattern up for you and getting it all sorted, and I'm hoping to also do a bit of a pack for this as well, so you'll get the pattern and then everything that you need, so stay tuned for that. I'm also working on getting it done in another colourway with a different yarn, just so that you can see the differences. So definitely make sure that you look out for that, because this is just a super nice blanket. But this Stylecraft Special XL is just gorgeous and it works up really nicely, and yeah, it's just really nice. Don't forget guys, as always, I will leave links in the description box below. So just underneath this video here, there'll be a little bit that says show more. Click that and then all the details will be there for you. The other yarn that I've been loving is this Paintbox Chunky Pots. This is just a really gorgeous yarn. It comes in a yarn cake. Obviously you can see that it changes colour. It is a sharp change in colour rather than a gradual change. But I actually started doing this really nice long like chunky scarf, and I really like the way that it looks and that the pattern's turned out. It just looks super nice. I guess if you wanted to make your colours change just row by row, you could perhaps sit down and figure that out, but I actually quite like the fact that it's a little bit staggered on this. I think it just gives it a really nice little bit of a detail. So again, I am working on this. This is my second ball of yarn. So I'm just on my second ball in order to make this really nice, long and chunky. And I have done it with a V-stitch as well, which kind of brings me on to my favourite stitches. I think because of this, I'm loving V-stitch at the moment. It's just a really nice, easy stitch to do. Something that you can do while you're watching telly. You don't have to think about too much. And yeah, it's just really pretty. So favourite yarns, the Stylecraft Special XL and the Paintbox Chunky Pots. The Paintbox Chunky Pots are actually in the sale at the moment, so definitely go and make sure that you check those out, and they do some really nice colours as well. But this one is one of my favourites. I forget the name, but I'll leave that in the description box. I don't think I could do this July favourites without mentioning something which I've been really excited about. I've known about it for a good few months, but it actually launched last month or this month, and that is the Your Crochet and Knitting magazine. And look, that is me, and inside is an interview with me, and there was like a little bit of supplement that came with it where it teaches you about crochet and knitting just in a little bit more depth. But yeah, this is really nice. So it's a magazine that has lots of different patterns in there, and it comes with a kit, and you can choose which pattern you want to make from the kit, which is really nice and exciting. And it was just really nice colours as well. I'm also working with them for the next couple of issues, so make sure that you check that out. And I have had a sneaky peek of the colour scheme for issue 3. Oh, it's so nice. I think you will really like that, so make sure that you check that out. It is only available in the UK at the moment. You can go online and get it delivered if you live in a different country, but it's a little bit pricey because obviously you have to export it. But yeah, this is super exciting for me, and I've had some really good feedback. And yeah, I should really get this framed, I think, but love that. Another exciting thing, and I touched on this a little bit last month when I talked about my website, and I was asking you guys what kind of things you would like to see from my website. So basically the type of things that I wanted to do and the way I wanted it to work just wasn't possible with what I have currently. So I am completely scrapping everything and starting again. So that is going to take a little bit of work. It's in the process, but it's just going to require a little bit of time. So I think next week there won't be a tutorial, but there will be one after that. And I'm going to use that time instead to really focus on the website and get everything looking amazing for you guys. And I'm really excited to have a website that I feel that is going to be really easy to use and really easy to find things, because I realise that there's a lot of stuff here and there. So I'm going to bring it all together and make it super easy for you to find everything. I've also mentioned a couple of times that because of that, I am actually selling, once I've sold all of my tools that I have on the website, I won't be buying in anymore. So a lot of them have gone now. There are a few left, so I'm just going to talk about those now. I literally have one pair of embroidery scissors left in the green. And I also have a few of these crochet hooks, so 10mm and 12mm crochet hooks left. These are the acrylic ones, and they're so cute. So I have a few of those left. And then I also have some of the John James Pebbles, the household needles, which are the sort of slightly smaller ones, really used for cotton and thread. And then also I have tapestry needles, which are a little bit bigger. These probably aren't suitable or won't be suitable for yarn, but they will be suitable for like embroidery floss. That's hard to say. And also like cottons and things. So I have a few of those left also. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a discount code in the description box for you or on this screen so that you can get 10% off those. Okay, so now on to accounts that I've been loving. The first one is Lindsay from Lottie and Albert. Her account is just so gorgeous. She has loads of different types of projects and like just different projects that really sort of inspires you to want to try lots of different things. So definitely go and check Lindsay out. And the second one, which is a really popular account, you might have heard of her already, but that's Jessica from the Hook Nook. She just has some gorgeous modern feel items on there, patterns, and just super inspiring also. So definitely go and make sure that you check out Lindsay and Jessica because their accounts are to die for. So then on to perhaps the most eagerly anticipated section of this video, and that is the winner of last month's little giveaway. And the winner this month is Crochet for Squish, who did a really lovely virus blanket or shawl. I forget which one it is, but it's the virus pattern and it is super pretty. So make sure you go and check that account out. And also, if you're watching, I will be in contact via Instagram very shortly. Congratulations. So if you want to be in with the chance of winning something next month, then all you have to do is tag your projects where you've used my tutorials with hashtag BCCorg18. I'll try and make it a little bit easier for you, and I'll leave it on the screen just here, and I will go through that hashtag and look at the different projects that come up and choose my favourite. And what I tend to do is look through your profile and send you something which I think you will love. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, if you're not subscribed already and you do love my tutorials, then make sure that you click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free for you to do so. Also, come and find me on Facebook and Instagram, and you can find me through Coco Crochet. And if you really want to know what I get up to on a day-to-day basis and a little bit behind the scenes, you can also follow me on my personal Instagram as well, which is Sarah Jane Fragola. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you again next time. Bye!